The coyotes walked up and they got spooked.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. It was just standing there eating, and then it saw me and it's. Well, that was nice.
That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And the coyotes came up.
We were fucking close. Look at where the cactus is. That's what, 30, 40 yards?
There's the coyote right there.
I know. What's that, 30, 40 yards?
Yeah. Coyotes right there.
I know. They're following them.
Why? Why they're following them?
I don't know. But I seen two move in behind the trees, and I thought they were cows, and that's why I stood here. And then when they popped out, that's when we saw that they were elk. I know. They're following them.
Think they're trying to get one?
Oh yeah. So the reason why they didn't hear us was because of the wind.
Yeah.
So as long as we stay on this side of the animals, they can't see us. It would have been nice if they were deer.
Yeah.
Gotta go this way. We ain't gonna find them if she spooked them from here. We ain't gonna find them if she spooked them from here. I think we should head back.
Okay.
We have a long ways back. But if she spooked them from down here, there's no way we're gonna find them in this country. We'll be walking all day. Or is it a horse track? No, it's a horse track.
Yeah, that's all. Or a horse has been through here.
Yeah.
He must have walked this fence line.
Yeah, because there's a bunch of deer tracks right here, look. There's a bunch of deer tracks. I can't get through there. walk the fence line up. Look, these are all fresh tracks.
I've never done this before.
I don't advise it, but
Ooh.
I wouldn't advise it, James, but it's your choice.
He's pretty cool, huh? Did you get a picture of me right next to it?
I got a video.